Hey guys! Finally, andito na kami sa Binurabudan Cold Spring in Gulang-gulang, Irosin, Sorsogon. After ng maiksing biyahe, maglakad sa daan,
Parayo pa po itong binarabutan.
maligaw,
Eh,
maglakad ulit, tumawid ng ilog, maglakad sa batuhang ilog, maglakad sa damuhan, mukhang malapit na ata kami.
Makiagi po.
We are going today to Binurabudan.
Mga 38 minutes kami naglakad kasi hindi namin alam ang lugar. Finally, eto na kami. Ay, di pa pala to. Sa unahan pa.
This is the hidden gem called Binurabudan Spring. Malamig at presko ang tubig, perfect sa init ng summer. Cold springs as well as hot springs are abundant around a volcano. Thank you kay Mount Bulusan dahil madami talagang paliguan gaya nito dito sa Irosin. As groundwater seeps out from beneath the Earth's surface, it is heated by Mount Bulusan's geothermal activity, then cooled and filtered through layers of volcanic rock, resulting in the crystal clear and refreshing waters that make cold springs such a popular attraction.
By the way, 3 things. First, going here is free, but be prepared to walk ng konti. Second, let's be respectful visitors. Don't leave trash. Third, medyo madaming lamok, so be ready. Also, walang lagayan ng gamit, so don't bring a lot. Yun lang. Thanks for watching Benzman TV. Bye. Love ya.